Well, welcome to my office. Using the signal mirror saves so many lives all throughout many different environments, whether it be the desert, someone rips the rear view mirror off and signals an aircraft flying over. But having a nice lightweight plastic one is a great thing to have in your pack and should be mandatory trail gear for wherever you go. So it weighs barely anything, and you can see the reflection right on my hand. And so you can aim it that way if you put it right in front of your eye and make your fingers into a V. And as long as your eye is lined right up with the V, it's going to be like the sights of a gun. So aim it right at the aircraft. Otherwise, these are designed with a star or mesh in the middle, and so that reflects the sunlight coming off of this mirror. So as it comes off of this mirror, and you can find it on your hand or the ground, you can look through it, and then you see the reflection of the sun, and it's a lot easier to aim that way. So I can aim it, find it on my hand, move it around, and then as I'm going up into the sky, I can see that reflection right on the tree. I can see it straight up in the blue sky, so that's where it works the best. If you're on an aircraft, if you're in the middle of the desert somewhere, and you're just going into the sky trying to get the aircraft, it's going to be tough to aim just using this method. So the fireball method is my favorite as I look through and find it up into the sky. Helicopters coming in, let's signal them up. Quick! It's time to get rescued! What if you need to get rescued? Smoke generator, hot fire, green boughs, green vegetation. Pile it up.
Good afternoon. As you can see, I've got that crispy header. First step, crack the top. Give it a whiff. Check out your surroundings. Sip it. Pour a little on your head. Pour a little in your shirt. That's how you drink a Red Bull.